welcome back to my channel. Our recipe for today is a very healthy tomato tuna pasta. Here are the ingredients. Onion and garlic, 1 kilo of pasta, 1 kilo of tomatoes, 3 to 4 cans canned tuna flakes in oil, 1 can mushroom, olive oil, cheese, salt and pepper, and dried basil leaves. So what are we waiting for? Let's start cooking. First, we need to cook the pasta. Then after that, set aside, boil the tomatoes. And then after we boil them, peel off the skin of the tomatoes. Next, cut the tomatoes into halves. And now we're going to make the sauce. First, set on the fire. Get your pan. And then we will put the olive oil. Now we're going to saute the garlic. Just continue to stir the garlic until it turns to golden brown. When it is already golden brown, you can also now put the onion. Now we already sauteed the onion and garlic properly. We can now put the century tuna, the tuna flakes in oil. Pero natanggal na po natin yung oil. Just remove the oil. We just only need the tuna flakes. Then I will add also the mushroom now. Just continue mixing it. Then we can add now salt and pepper. Then mix again so that the salt will be dissolved. Then put the tomatoes. And now I'll be adding the dried basil leaves. Just continue to mix. And then just wait until it turns to boil. Then grate some cheese. And when the cheese is already melted, it's okay now. We're now ready for plating. Put the pasta on the plate. Then after that, pour the sauce. Grate some cheese again on top. Then you can add some toppings like fried garlic and basil leaves. That's it. It's ready to serve. We now have a very healthy recipe, the tuna tomato pasta.